sets us apart from our competition is that we are on call 24 hours a day and that we also are family owned and operated and not a franchise.
We specialize in water, mold, and fire restoration needs.
Our focus at SoCal Restoration is restoring your property as soon as possible.
We specialize in dealing with insurance losses, claims, and also dealing with adjusters.
We started this business with my father and I, and also my cousin.
We have over 40 years of experience.
When you contact us, you can expect knowledgeable and courteous service.
We're a full general contracting company. We here at SoCal Restoration work with several property managers, plumbers, engineers, and building contractors.
We treat every single project as if it was our own home. SoCal Restoration services all of San Diego County.